Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house in Runaway Bay St. is an absolute gem. It was built in 2017 and sits on 6,534 square feet, located in the gated community of Phase 3, Savannah Vistas. This open concept 1,600 square feet house, originally a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit, now boasts an additional 1-bedroom and 1-bathroom income unit with its own kitchen and eating nook that can be part of or separate from the main house. Offered for sale unfurnished, the property has fruit and other trees, its own carport, and ample yard space for expansion at the back. Savannah Vistas offers a clubhouse, tennis, basketball court, swimming pool, gym, children's play area, and a large field for football or other activities, with 24-hour security, attractions, and restaurants nearby, and 30 minutes to Ocho Rios. This is the ideal investment in the quiet area of Runaway Bay St. Some furniture and other items will be available for sale. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 44 million or US $285.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.